Nag-resign na sina Ateneo Blue Eagles coach Tab Baldwin at ang team manager ng koponan isang linggo matapos ang pagkasawi ng kanilang basketball players na sina Rene Paterbonia at Divine Adili. Inanunsyo yan ng Ateneo de Manila University na nagsorry rin kaugnay ng kanilang pananahimik. Nakatutok si Mark Salazar.
Sa unang pagharap sa media ng pamunuan ng Ateneo de Manila University, inanunsyo nito ang pagbibitiw ni Coach Tab Baldwin at Team Manager Epo Kimpo sa universidad at kanilang sports program.
The university has accepted the resignation of head coach Thomas Anthony Tab Baldwin, effective immediately. We thank him for the years of service to the Blue Eagles. But as we enter a period of deep institutional review, a change in leadership is necessary to ensure the full integrity of our sports programs and safety protocols governing them.
Hanggang sa open forum, inusisa kung batid ba ni University President Father Bobby Yap ang tungkol sa team building activity ni Baldwin sa Aurora, kung saan pumanaw ang kanilang players na si Rene Paterbonia at Divine Adili.
Sa pagkaalam ko, itong mga team building na lumalabas sila, nangyayari na to sa panahon kahit ni Norman Black, kahit pa coach Norman Black noon. So, yung taon na yun. Kay Coach Tab, alam ko na 4, pang-5 bisita na to nila mismo sa lugar na yon sa Aurora. Pang-5 bisita na to nila. So, tradisyon to na hinto lang nung pandemic.
Pero ang iba pang tanong tungkol sa team building sa dagat at kung paano ito nauwi sa trahedya, hindi pa aniya handang sagutin ng Ateneo.
Magkakaroon ng independent. We don't want to compromise the findings of that. Even we, the whole university, will be answerable to that fact-finding group. So we don't want to preempt any of...
Please limit it to the statement. Thank you.
Bago ang mga pagtatanong ay emosyonal na si Father Yap nang basahin ang kanilang prepared statement sa pagbubukas ng press con.
No word in any language is capable of describing this loss. When a young man dies, we mourn both the loss of life and the shattering of dreams. We mourn the potential that won't come true, the empty chairs at family dinner tables, and the futures that were supposed to unfold on our playing courts and far beyond them. To the families of Rene and Divine, we see you. We hear you. I am here to say simply and directly, we are truly, deeply sorry.
Humingi rin siya ng paumanhin sa publiko sa kanilang pananahimik at kung bakit hindi rin pinaharap agad sa publiko ang mga involved sa June 8 team building activity sa Aurora.
The persons who can shed light on the events of June 8 are also now subject of investigations by the authorities. We recognize that they have their constitutional rights as well, and we intend on respecting those rights. And therefore, we cannot speak on their behalf nor force them to speak at this time. Also, like everyone else, the law affords Ateneo certain rights. If Ateneo exercises those rights, it is not to delay or mislead, but simply because that is how it is under our legal system.
Itinanggi rin ng Ateneo na hindi nila inalalayan ang pamilya ng mga namatay.
From day one, the university reached out to provide full support to the families. We offered to shoulder all travel costs of Rene's family from Agusan to Manila so that they could be with him. We have also offered to cover all funeral expenses for Divine, including flying his family from Nigeria to the Philippines and back, as well as transportation and expatriation of the body back to his home country.
Ang Board of Trustees aniya ng Ateneo ay bumuo ng fact-finding body para magsagawa ng independent investigation sa nangyaring trahedya.
So far, all available information and accounts on what happened on June 8 show that it was a tragic accident.
Mark Salazar, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.